website. Okay, we are back. So if you're just joining us, we've had a few technical issues with us on this Sunday evening. It is 11:35. Firstborn Tri-City Skylar Oil with you, alongside our crew here as we're tracking severe thunderstorm warnings in East Kentucky, Bell, Harlan, and Leslie counties. Leslie County now until 12:15 in the northern part of the county. That one's just a garden variety 60 mile. I wouldn't say garden variety, but it's severe thunderstorm warning 60-mile-an-hour winds. Our normal tier severe thunderstorm warnings. We're watching the southern edge here, pushing into Bell County near Pineville, path forward to Mausell, and then eventually into more Harlan County and Bell County, for the potential of a little bit of rotation on the southern edge of this line. Weather Service put the tornado possible tag on this severe thunderstorm warning. That's why we have came on the air and broken your programming on the radio. Here we know. I don't like being on the air at 11:36 at night, but here we are. Barberville, this has just moved through that area, and about to move into Pineville. So if you're in Pineville, preparation time is running out. It'll be to you within the next 5 minutes or so. We're seeing any rotation. It's going to be right through here. Or we're going to see rotation. So let's put another track on this line. I'm just going to move it to the east at 40. Yeah, we're going to track it all the way down there. We're going to move it to the east at 40 miles an hour. So if you are in Spruce Pine in Leslie County at 11:56, Bear Branch 11:59, Pineville around midnight or so. Pineville, I think it'll be to you a little before midnight though. South Wallen's 12:04, Loyola 12:06, Harlan 12:09, Pine Mountain 12:17, Everett's 12:18, Kaywood 12:18. Let's see what time this is for Hyde, and Hyde a little after midnight. Let's get into Southwest Virginia about between 12:15 and 12:30, and would trek east across Southwest Virginia. Basically, Lee and Knox counties first up if the storm holds itself together as it moves into Southwest Virginia. Then we look at Scott County, and then way downstream from this, about probably 1, 2 in the morning, Russell and Washington counties in Southwest Virginia. So we're going to watch this very closely here. I'm not seeing much rotation on this cell, which is good news. Check a few products on my phone as well. That'll help me determine if we have a lot of rotation within this storm. And let's see. I'm not seeing tons. Switch over to this other product. We're seeing any. It is right near Pineville at this point, but I'm not seeing tons of rotation. So that's good news for those of us here in Bell County. But we still have the tornado possible severe thunderstorm warning, so we're just going to stick with this for at least a few more minutes, and then I think I can give, and then I think we'll be able to go off the air. But again, severe thunderstorm warning, northern Leslie, north of the Hal Rogers until 12:15, western Leslie, west of Hyden, including parts of the Hal Rogers from basically 1,000 Sticks, basically get off to go down 118 into downtown Hyden west. Western Harlan County from basically Wallens Creek west, includes Path Fork there. Most of Bell County, with the exception of the far southwest part of the county, includes Middlesboro, Pineville, RJ, and Meldrum, and Varela. So on our high-res velocity, that's what we're looking at. Not a lot of rotation. So what we're going to do at 11:39, we're going to go off the air and come back on as needed if we have any more warnings. But for now, we're going to go off the air. We'll come back as need be live from the Firstborn Tri-City Severe Weather Alert Center. I'm Skylar Doyle. We'll send you back. If you're listening to us on the radio to regular programming, we'll go off the air right now. Come back as need be. This has been a Firstborn Tri-City Severe Weather Alert.